In this video, we're going to talk about our new Director's Monitor Cage V3. This thing is super lightweight, and let's take a look at some of the new features. The new V3 features carbon fiber handles, and they fold by unlocking this thumb screw. You can collapse these down, which is great for packing your bag. We've added a second 15mm rod, which makes it easy to adjust the top and bottom brackets, and these are also carbon fiber. The bottom features an offset bracket as well as the top, just like the previous version, which is great for attaching your LCD in two different places. And then on the bottom of the bottom bracket, we have our C-stand mount with a locking thumb screw. On the swing-away bracket, we have places for attaching two different Teradek wireless receivers, which is great for toggling between two different camera feeds. The battery plate is similar to our previous version and accepts a V-mount and gold mount hole pattern. And we also have the ability to swing away this bracket in two different ways now. Unlock this thumb screw and swing to the left. Unlock this thumb screw and swing to the right. You can also quickly release this by unlocking both thumb screws, which is great if you have a small HD that can be powered off of Sony L-series batteries. The kit includes our snap-on sunshade, which has Velcro on the bottom for adjustment. We also include a Velcro cable loop, which is great for permanently attaching this to your monitor. We also include a cable tie for cable management, and our padded neck strap, which attaches in 4 places. This has been updated to have crab clips, which allows you to quickly install and remove it. In this configuration, we have the Small HD 702 Touch attached to the DMC V3 using one offset bracket on the bottom. Since this monitor does not have a Q20 on top, we've removed the top offset bracket. On the back, we've added the Bolt XT receiver using the swing-away bracket. And then behind that, we have our Pro Series gold mount plate and Anton Bauer Dionic XT battery. We'll install the included sunshade using the 2 snaps on the top bracket. Then we can wrap the sunshade around the monitor and tighten with the Velcro on the bottom. To install the lanyard, we'll connect the crab clips to the corresponding hole on the handle bracket, and then one on the bottom of the cage. A great feature about the neck strap is the 4 connection points. This allows you to take your hands away and still glance down at your screen. You can also flip up the sunshade to show someone else what you're looking at. And when you're tired of holding your Director's Monitor cage, you can simply drop it onto a C-stand, lock the thumb screw, and walk away. And when you're done shooting for the day, you can pack up by collapsing the handles and then use the sunshade as a screen protector. The DMC V3 is available in a dual kit, or you can purchase 2 units separately and the adapter kit separately. To attach the two together, we'll first remove the inside handles. Unlock the thumb screw and remove the handles. Next, we'll take our dual adapter and attach it to the 2 vertical rods. Once that's tight, we can add the second adapter to the bottom. You can now attach the dual setup using this centered C-stand mount. These products are all available in our store now.